go 1, 2, 3. We're about to jump. Going down. There's. Hey, what's up? What's up, Liz? Liz, you're on awesome camera. Awesome camera. Oh. It works! It floats!
Well, he was pushing 80, but he acted 22. He could laugh and drink just like his grandchildren would do. There was square hay on the meadow, second cutting of the year. Well, their summer work was over once they got the pasture clear. They were drinking on the big bluff, across the river from the field. Well, he walked up to the edge and threw a stone in and he kneeled. And he looked down at the water, said, boys, I'm going in. They were cheering when he jumped.
You see that? You see that?
What do you think about that? Well, it was 20 after midnight, and they were going 85. She was barely out of high school, wasn't bad to feel alive. And just a two-lane piece of blacktop, a snaky stretch of road. Well, the wind blew through the wing vents, it was clear and fresh and cold. Well, the driver killed the headlights, and he put the throttle down. When they hit the railroad crossing, they were 5 feet off the ground. Just screaming through the midnight, till they came down again. Well, the front tire hit a bar ditch, they went end over end. We'll raise another round, boys, and have another glass. Be thankful for today, you know that it'll never last. And let's leave the world laughing when our eulogies are read. May we all get to heaven, for the devil knows we're dead. May we all get to heaven, for the devil knows we're dead. Well, I'm 28 years old now. I was born in 84, and I've been free as I can be, and I won't ask for any more. So let the fatal...
Hit it with this.
Watch his legs!
He's up. He's up.
It's not over yet.
Dang it.
Pick him up. I'll jump in with it.
No.
Oh. There we go. Tyler.
Hey, I got you back. I got the ball.
There's one more card. There's one more Joker card in there. I hope you get it.
Drink! Where's your drink?
This is stupid. No. How do I get it?
Oh, I can't
Why
wait
can't
to
I
hear
be the
you.
lucky one for one time?
No. Oh. Let's hear it. Get a good tree. my spine.
Pull him up.
Austin just got married. He is married. Crazy child. Look, it's videoing right there.